as a good CFO and dealing with, I'm sure you will have relationship with multiple banks and multiple financial institutions. And then going back to the topic, the evolving expectations. So, what are your top 2-3 expectations from the banks with whatever is happening in the world of AI and agentic? That yes, banks and financial institutions need to adopt, be it deliverables after meeting with the relationship manager, how quickly I have been in the journey, how meetings can be summarized and sent across. Are you seeing those action on the ground where, say, somebody from the bank is meeting you and promising you the moon and the stars? Whether that's happening in actual or is it the same old way? Are you seeing something changing on the ground?
Being an ex-banker,
Yes.
passing an opinion on bankers now would not be entirely right. But I think, so adoption is there in terms of technology. And the expectation from the CFO is to cut down on the cost. And the best expectation would be to get enormous amount of money at no cost. Obviously, that is not possible. But so banks, which all of us must have observed, for the last 7-8 years, they have set up a specific sub-unit within their lending units to cater to fast-growing emerging companies like us as well. And that's where the speed of work in terms of be it lending, liabilities, cash management, treasury solutions, cross-border payments have improved a lot and come a long way. Also, the infrastructure which RBI has propagated over the past 10 years has resulted in the faster turnaround from the banks itself in terms of assessment of various borrowers as well. The same thing applies for us as well when we assess a borrower. What we would have been doing, for example, Bajaj starting in 1987, from there to now, I think too many avatars would have come in terms of lending itself. From us, from 2019 when we started the journey, COVID came in, then now the various wars which has come in, all those things, we have been lucky enough to sustain our journey, having had 3x of PBT growth over the past 1 year as well. Largely is on account of the support that we have got from the financial institutions, both in terms of understanding our requirement and delivering at a sweet pace.